Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself, Dr. M.T. Bushair, presenting daily weather briefing. First, let's look into the weather observed during last 24 hours. So, heavy to very heavy rainfall is observed at isolated places over East Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Maharashtra, and East Madhya Pradesh. Heavy rainfall is also observed at isolated places over Odisha, West Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, and Konkan and Goa. So, coming to the highlights of today's presentation, a low pressure area has formed over North Bay of Bengal by today morning, and it is likely to intensify into a depression during next 36 hours and move west-northwestwards across the Indian subcontinent. Active monsoon condition is expecting over the central parts of India during next 3 days and over northwest India during the 14th to 16th August 2022. So coming to the synoptic system that observed today morning. So inside 3D satellite image in the AR channel can be seen in the background. As I mentioned, a low pressure area has formed over the North Bay of Bengal. It is likely to move north. It is likely to move west-northwest direction in 12 hours and intensify into a low pressure area. Again, it is likely to move west-northwest direction and further intensify into a depression in subsequent 24 hours. So IMD was continuously monitoring a depression over the Arabian Sea. Now this depression has seen over the northwest and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea, and it is likely to move westward direction, and it is likely to weaken into a well-marked low pressure area in next 6 hours, and subsequently it weaken into a low pressure area, and it become less significant to the Indian subcontinent. From this depression, a trough runs from this depression to the South Rajasthan, and a WDC also observed over the middle and upper tropospheric levels, now seen around 66 degree east and 32 degree north. A offshore trough is also observed from South Gujarat to Maharashtra coast, and the monsoon trough. The monsoon trough, now seen at the south of its normal position, currently runs from this depression over the Arabian Sea to through the Aminpura, Kota, Satna, and Daltonganj, and to the Digha, and further into the low pressure area over the Bay of Bengal. Under the influence of the above systems, so we are expecting extremely heavy rainfall over the Odisha on today, and over the Chhattisgarh. Very heavy rainfall with a thunderstorm is expecting over the Chhattisgarh and over the Madhya Maharashtra and over the East Rajasthan on today. Heavy rainfall is also observing over the Saurashtra Kutch, Gujarat region, West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, and over the East UP, and over the entire northeastern part of the country, and Konkan and Goa, and coastal Karnataka and south interior Karnataka, and over the Andhra Pradesh on today. And similarly on tomorrow, extremely heavy rainfall is expecting over the Odisha and over the Chhattisgarh and over the East UP. And very heavy rainfall is expecting over the West Madhya Pradesh and Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Accordingly, orange warning is issued over these regions. And the thunderstorm with heavy rainfall is also expecting over the J&K region and over the entire Uttar Pradesh and over the entire northeastern states. And over day after tomorrow, very heavy rainfall is expecting over the entire Madhya Pradesh and over the East Rajasthan and Gujarat region, Madhya Maharashtra, and Konkan and Goa. And on 16th August, extremely heavy rainfall, very heavy rainfall is expecting over the West Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat region, and over the West Rajasthan. So, local authorities and people of this place where issues are, their warnings are issued, are advised to take necessary precautions due to these weather systems. Coming to the fisherman warning, fishermen are advised not into venture into North and Central Arabian Sea and along of Gujarat and Maharashtra coast on today and tomorrow. Fishermen are also advised not to venture into North and adjoining Central Bay of Bengal and along and of Bangladesh, West Bengal, Odisha, and adjoining North Andhra Pradesh coast on today and tomorrow. IMD's warnings and forecast also available in the Android and iOS platforms through the Mosam, Damini, and Magdood app. So users can access these warnings and updates also from the IMD's social media platforms and web pages. Thank you.